Cabinet Makeover DIY, Unlocking Your Decor Potential. Welcome to our DIY and Decor guide, where we're transforming an old cabinet into a stunning piece. Let's dive in. First, assess your cabinet's condition. Look for areas that need repair or sanding. A smooth base is key for a good makeover. Choose your paint wisely. Opt for a color that complements your room. Remember, prep work is crucial for a lasting finish. Let's talk hardware. Swapping out old knobs or handles can make a world of difference. Pick pieces that reflect your style. Consider adding a personal touch. Stencils or adhesive vinyl can add patterns or designs, making your cabinet truly one of a kind. Don't overlook the inside. Lining drawers or shelves with decorative paper breathes new life into your cabinet and surprises users. Finally, protect your masterpiece. A clear coat will shield your cabinet from wear and tear, ensuring your work lasts for years.